Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into something truly exciting, the Nokia 7260 5G, a nostalgic blast from the past with a futuristic twist. Nokia is back again with an iconic redesign, bringing together the classic aesthetics of the early 2000s with cutting-edge modern technology. Yes, you heard that right. This phone is making a comeback in 2025 and it's packing some serious features. From its 4-inch FHD display to its premium metal keyboard and an unbelievable 200 megapixel camera, Nokia is once again making headlines. But is this the perfect fusion of nostalgia and innovation, or just another gimmick? Let's find out. Make sure you watch till the end because we're going to break down everything from design, performance, camera, battery, and much more. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you think about this legendary return. Let's start with the design. The Nokia 7260 5G stays true to its roots while incorporating modern enhancements. Nokia has kept the signature curved aesthetic that made the original 7260 one of the most stylish feature phones of its time. But here's where things get interesting. Instead of plastic, premium aluminum and stainless steel have been used for the keyboard and body, making it feel ultra premium. This isn't just a nostalgic look, it's built for durability. And speaking of durability, Nokia is known for making indestructible phones. They've reinforced the 7260 5G with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, ensuring scratch and drop resistance. What's even crazier? It still features physical keypad buttons, but with a touch-sensitive layer, making it a hybrid T9 keyboard with touchscreen functionality. Let's talk about that 4-inch Full HD Plus OLED display. While this may seem small in a world where smartphones are crossing the 6.5-inch mark, Nokia has optimized it for crisp visuals and vibrant colors. The 120 Hz refresh rate ensures a smooth experience whether you're scrolling, texting, or even watching videos. And yes, this phone still has that always-on display feature. Now, let's get to the camera. A single 200 megapixel sensor on the back. Nokia is proving that megapixels matter when implemented correctly. With AI computational photography, night mode, and OIS stabilization, this camera can take exceptionally detailed shots even in low light. On the front, you get a 32 megapixel selfie camera, perfect for video calls, selfies, and social media. Nokia has also added 8K video recording support, which is impressive for a feature phone hybrid like this. Under the hood, the Nokia 7260 5G is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, paired with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. Running on a customized version of Android 14, Nokia has added a lightweight, optimized UI for the classic T9 typing experience, while still giving users full access to apps from the Google Play Store. The 4500 mAh battery ensures all-day battery life, even with 5G connectivity. And while the phone retains a classic charging port for nostalgia, don't worry. It supports fast charging up to 65 watts and wireless charging as well. So is the Nokia 7260 5G the perfect blend of nostalgia and innovation? Absolutely. It combines the best of classic Nokia design, premium build, modern performance, and unique features. But at an expected price of around $499, would you buy it? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting tech content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.